Just reminds me to tell you guys, go outside and respect your mother. That's all, boys. What's up, the Radical family? Welcome back to the channel. Today, me and Blue are gonna be chillaxing at the river today. No plans or anything, just start a fire, chillax, and yeah, that's all we're gonna do, so stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to show you all the gear I bring. So I bring 2 water bottles. One that's a plastic one that it'll still keep cold. And then another, but it's a thermal flask, so it will keep cold. RP. I got a Crown Royal bag for all my tinder, so when you're walking in or wherever you're finding it, you could bring a bag and it's easier to carry. Just got this, it's a mesh kit, super badass, a frying pan, and a boiling water, and I got that. Got always a first aid kit on me. Always bring a first aid kit. Well, and a tarp, first aid kit, and that's what I got in there. A bow saw, which comes in handy a lot. I just used it. And I just got a new blade for it, so it's working good. I got Blue's collapsible bowl, which works very great. A little leaf in there. Let me get you some more water. And again, plastic one, but works great. Foldable bowl for Blue. And I got Paracord, got new gloves. Let me show you guys actually. I should try to use it. So they are pigskin leather. Really awesome. Nice material on the inside. Got them from Harbor Freight. But yeah. All right. She'll start right up. Start right up, man. getting smoked out. Smoky. Voila. So we got the pita bread, which will be the, we're making a quesadilla. So the pita bread, we got cheese, got a little bit of butter, for the pan. And this is what you grab the pan on. So let me see actually. So we're gonna be cooking in this bad boy. Pretty cool. Nice little handle. You could drop it off somewhere, pick it back up. Really cool. So excited to use this. Just got this yesterday for my birthday. So pretty awesome. Then we got some Bob's Burgers green chili. So if you don't know, now you know. Get this, get it on the side. Don't get it on the burger. Get it on the side. That's how you do it. And the orange for today. So yeah, we are pretty set up. Pretty set up. We're gonna be cooking some good stuff. I want to keep everything cool as I can, so I'm gonna put it back. But yeah, I'll catch you when we're cooking that. First time ever gonna be cooking on this, breaking her in. Sit, good boy. Oh, she's done. Oh yeah, she's done. Put her off to the side here. Let her cool down. Quite scrumptious. Look at that. She's gold. She's Louise, huh? Thank you guys for watching. This is gonna be just a chill spot for me and Blue. I got a little firewall fire, a couple logs in the back. I did some cutting. Got some cool logs. And yeah, it was a cool day. So, and we cooked a good meal. So if you like that video, give it a thumbs up and join the Radical family.